Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick draw invite on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on this button that you can find down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on settings at the top. Click on privacy and social that you can find down below in this right side column. Tap on it, then you should scroll down until you find this feature in this right side or on the left side of the screen in the first column, which is enable or disable quick draw invite. So tap on the relevant button if you would like to turn it on, click on enable. However, if you want to turn it off, tap on disable. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.